Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm sitting in one of our 2018 Chevy Camaros, but the reason for this video today is because I wanted to show you guys the two different ways on how to change the driving mode in your new Camaro. So one of the ways is really easy. It's right here. It's this button that says mode. So if we take a look at our screen here and we hit this button, it'll take us from Tour to Sport, and then from Sport to Snow and Ice, and then back to Tour. That's all by pushing this button right here. Another way to change this is if we find the center console on our dash, we're going to hit Settings. Driving mode is the second option. We're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to hit Steering, and then we can select our mode right here. Say we want to go to Sport. It's going to put us in Sport right there, and then you can just back out and your car will be in Sport. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.